Hello, I'm Rebecca of Pocketful of Posies. I wanted to do a quick little video to share with you my 2024 sewing and costuming project plans. At least the ones that I hope that I get done. First up, I want to finish my Angelica gown. Now, I started this last summer and life happened and I wasn't able to finish it. I was planning it for Halloween and it didn't happen. So I want to finish my Angelica gown. Next, I would like to make an 18th century short gown. I have done a mock-up of one in a smaller size. I've done one for one of the actresses in our production of Cinderella last year, and I'd like to make one for myself. Next on my list is an Italian Renaissance gown. I have wanted to make one of these for years now. I actually have the fabric, which I bought probably 4 years ago at this point, and I just need to do it. I need to do the chemica, I need to do the gown, maybe even the, is it a Gamora? Gamora? Sounds like the character from the Guardians of the Galaxy, but anyway. So the gown is the Gamora and the overdress is the Chopa. That's the one I'm not sure if I'm going to make. I would very much like to make a linen kirtle, like a Tudor style linen kirtle. I have the fabric and I just need to get it done. This year I would also like to explore Regency stays yet again. I really would like a good fitting pair of Regency stays, and I have not, as of yet, had that. I haven't made any that I was really happy with. So, fingers crossed that that happens this year. To go with those new Regency stays, hopefully, I'd like to make a new Regency dress. I have some really nice cotton that's white with a green stripe, and I think that would be really nice for a Regency summer weight dress. I would also like to make a Victorian chatelaine. I've kind of done one, and I tried to film it, but it kind of became just a big mess, so I would like to actually figure out how to make one myself and bring you all along on the journey. Are there any projects that you would like to see me make? Anything that you've wanted me to make or that you would like to make but like to see someone else do it first? Let me know down in the comments. Also, let me know what your 2024 sewing plans are. I'm really interested to know. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you spending your time with me. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe if you haven't, and if you'd like to be notified whenever I upload, you can hit that little bell icon. To support the channel further, I have a Ko-fi account, and that is linked down below. Again, thank you so much, and I will see you on our next sewing adventure. Bye!